Welcome back friends, and today's Q card topic is describe a country where would you like to work for a short time। इसमें हमें कोई भी ऐसी कंट्री के बारे में बताना है कि जहाँ पर हम जाकर कुछ समय के लिए, शॉर्ट टाइम मतलब 1 या 2 साल के लिए, वहाँ जाकर कोई भी जॉब या कोई भी करियर आगे हम करना चाहते हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं इसके फॉलोअप क्वेश्चंस को। विच कंट्री इज दिस, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ वर्क यू वुड डू, हाउ लॉन्ग यू वुड लाइक टू वर्क देयर। सो let's start with the simple Q card answer. I have always considered the opportunity to work in a different country as a rare privilege, no matter whichever country it may be. But if it ever comes to choosing a particular country to work in, I would certainly go for Japan. Since my early university years, I have thought and learned of Japan as an ideal country to look for work opportunities for a number of reasons. But before I go to explain why I want to work in that country, I would like to say a few things to introduce this great country. Japan, world's fourth largest island country in East Asia that encompasses more than 6,000 islands in the Pacific Ocean. Being popularly known as land of the rising sun, Japan is also the second largest developed economy, one of the most industrialized nation in the world. By the way, Japan is also one of the most technologically advanced countries in the world. So it is fair to assume that working opportunities in Japan is literally unlimited, whether they want to work in manufacturing, mining and construction sectors or service sectors. But as far as I am concerned, I would like to work in the information technology sector, as this great country has witnessed an exponential growth in the demand of IT professionals over the last few decades. In fact, I have even learned how Japanese companies are trying to attract foreign workers in order to meet this demand. So if I ever get an opportunity to work in Japan, I would like to continue it for at least 2 to 3 years. Anyway, I would like to work in Japan because it has a very good working culture where everybody treats each other with great respect. Besides, working in a country like Japan would also allows me to gain valuable work experience and use it to further advance my career after coming back to work in my own country. Finally, I would like to work in this great country also because they have a very high salary structure. So this was the sample answer for you. Thank you.